Hello, today we are going to learn how to make a calendar using Figma. So first, as you can see, the calendar has four elements: the dates, date for next month, today's date, and the month heading or the week heading. So let's start with the date. As you can see, we can make a calendar like this with simple elements. So for creating this, we will select a rectangle which we can select here or press R. So we'll click here and resize it to 40 and add text from here, which we can also use by the shortcut T. Click and press 1 and align it in the middle. As you can see, we need this, so we cannot have the fill, and we'll add the stroke and change the color and change into center. As you can see, now we have number 1, and we can duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and move it by arrow keys, and Ctrl D again, and we can edit by using double click 2, double click 3, click 4, double click 5, double click 6, double click 7. So it's resembling like this. So we'll select all of this and create a component like this. So it will become this, and we can change the color, which is DF. Now since we have made this, now we will make more duplicates for other elements as well. After making and duplicating, we can have finally like this and rename it by 8, 9, 10, 14 like this. And for this we have just to add, like, we can also add by double pressing, and here you can see there is a fill option. Press fill and there you go, and you can also give it a effect for next month. So we can also shift to DF. As you can see, we can have the number like 74. So we will change the text of 30 to 74. As you can see, we can make the next month elements right now. Since February has only 28 days, so we can start here like 1 year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for giving the next month effect, we will all double click, and we will select this and add fill as before to white, which is FFF, and the numerical will be. So now we have an entire month set. So for giving an background effect, we can add this white, or we can add a linear effect. We can play with this picker tool and just select whichever we want, or else we will just go with the white color right now. Now again, for now week, we will press T. For Monday we will add MO. Duplicate this, we'll double click TU. Wednesday. Saturday and Sunday. Don't be worry about the alignment. We can select all of this and press this and tidy up. Now we can make it align like this. We'll add 25 over here. The spacing, this is called the spacing which we are giving right now. And yes, so for we can make all entire group by selecting all by the mouse click and Control G. Now we can again not use F. Now we have to add month. So again we'll use T, which is from here, text, and add Feb 2021, and we will give it an effect of semi bold and increase the font size and align it with the calendar. So we'll press again Control G. Here you have the calendar right here. Thank you for watching.